It's a perfect setup for playing the RSI reversal strategy. You can see that DOCU is quite overbought. Let me reverse this here. DOCU is quite overbought, and today is Friday, October 11th. So DOCU, here's a couple things that are in our favor. It's overbought. RSI is 69.91 today. That's just about at the 70 line. The Williams percent is also overbought, and we have that above the -20 or below the -20, so overbought. And it's already started to make a downward move today, so you can see that the up arrow means that it's crossed below the 70 RSI, so it's possibly making a move downwards. And once there's a market shock in the next few weeks, which there will be, DOCU will plummet in value, but it could continue to go up from here. So what we're going to do is sell a put spread, and we're going to sell the at the money put and buy an out of the money put for cheaper. So those will be a net credit, and the cost of the long put will be offset by the credit we take in for selling that short put. So we'll own that long put for free, we get a lottery ticket, and we will take off that short put after it's gained 30% profit. So the highest implied volatility looks to be around December for now, but that's a little too far out. So implied volatility is still relatively low. That could go up. So let's sell the November, and we're gonna go down to the puts first, or we're selling a put, and it's at 66.63. So we're gonna sell the we're gonna sell the in the money put, so 67.50, although it's already starting to make a move downwards. So let's sell that 65, and then we can look at the percent change. It's actually dropped a little bit. So I cancel that. Since this has already lost a little bit of value, we're going to sell the 62.5, and the 60 is on sale, so we're going to buy the 60. You can see how that's decreased in value by 3.81%. So we'll buy that, get a credit. We have our $53.70 credit. Bump up the limit just a bit, be a little optimistic, and we'll sell one there. DOCU, and then we'll put in another order. At a higher limit, a little optimism, and now we wait, and it'll be triggered if the limit order hits on its own. Looking at one more. Let's go to our watch list screener. So what is very oversold? Well, we have CMD. We also have Zoom, and that has a pretty good implied volatility of 49.87. So I remember that Zoom had been on a tear earlier. Jim Cramer had recommended it, and maybe that's what cursed it. Going just a few months back, it hit a high of 107.34 back in June, and like most things, once it hits its high, it's cooked. So you can see back in June, if we expand this out, the Williams percent was overbought. RSI back here was overbought, and the Williams overbought, so that would have been a good time. But now it has since fallen, and we are here. Look at that Williams. So that's started to possibly try to make a move back up. You can see that it's had a few false starts in the past. It hasn't gone anywhere. But what we're going to do is sell a call credit spread on this one, and hopefully it'll go down a few more times. That'll take off that short call, and then we will keep the long call, and that'll be a lottery ticket. So let's look at which has the best implied volatility. October 18th certainly does. So if we sold an at the money call for October 18th, let's say 71.5, we could sell it for around $225. And if we went out to November, and our best bet in November would be the November 15th. So $225 right now for that October at the money. This one we could get $460. So let's do that. So let's sell the at the money and we'll look at the price change. So that's gone down 1.75. This has gone up 10.2%. So that looks like a huge increase. So let's sell the 75. And let's buy the 80. Because that's on sale. So we're selling the 75, we're buying the 80. We'll collect about 143. And then we'll bump up that credit, sell another one. And that's for Zoom. So we sold DocuSign. We sold a DocuSign put credit spread, and we sold a Zoom video call credit spread. And we're going to mark that on our tracker. So I'll make a couple there. So we have DOCU and Zoom. Today's August 11th. Oops, that didn't work. DocuSign is trading around 66.70. Zoom is trading around 71.91. So when we're bullish, we sell the call credit spread because we hope that the short call will be taken off as it further goes down before it starts a trajectory up. That's worked on Samuel Adams just yesterday. It's also worked on Axon, the maker of Taser. And this RSI reversal watch list has been working. I'm going to keep doing it. Don't expect it to work even the first day or for several days, but just give it time. Take profits around 30% and don't get greedy.